Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Review Information. In this video I will show you how to turn on Instagram's new dark mode for iOS 13.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
The Instagram mobile app has been given the dark mode treatment. Dark modes have become very popular in recent years. Instagram has updated its app so that it can leverage the new native dark mode support in iOS 13. Here's how to get it. Make sure you are running iOS 13 on your iPhone. You can do this in two ways. The first one is from your control center. For this, swipe up from the bottom and open Control Center. From the Control Center, tap and hold the Display and Brightness option. Here you will find the option Dark Mode, which is turned off. Tap on this. Now go back to Instagram. You can see Instagram turned into dark mode. And the second method is from your settings. For this, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. In Display and Brightness settings, you will find Appearance. Select the dark option from the top. Now go back to Instagram. And here's your Instagram turned into dark mode. In this way, you can turn on Instagram's new dark mode for iOS 13. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.